Good afternoon to all. Today we will start with chapter which is chapter number 4, metals and non-metals. Before starting this chapter, we have to take quick recap about previous class. In previous classes, you have learned about elements and compounds. First of all, what are elements? Definition is there. An element is a substance that is made entirely from one type of atom. Now you have to know about that what is atom. Everybody know that everything is made up of matter. In all our surroundings, everything is made up of matter. Like pen is there, page is there, it all about matter. Okay, we will say about that it is matter. Like atom, now that matter is made up of atoms, this page is there, then small units are there, small units which are atoms. When these atoms will join with each other, then this full page will made. Like the matter is made up of atoms. Okay, and now what is element? Element is made up of entirely one atom. If one atom is there, that is called element, and when two elements or three or four elements will join with each other, then compounds are formed. Okay, like elements copper, aluminium. About these elements you will learn in higher classes in detail. Okay, now you have to know about that these elements are there. When these elements will join with each other, two or more elements will join with each other, then compounds are formed. Copper, aluminium, hydrogen, mercury, these are elements. When copper plus aluminium or copper plus hydrogen will join with each other, then compounds are formed. Now we know that every element have unique property. Like copper have different properties, aluminium have different properties. We can't match with each other. We can't say that this is aluminium, copper like Cu, aluminium is Al. We are denoting like copper Cu, for aluminium Al. We can't say that Cu is equal to aluminium, because every element have its unique property, and these elements now are divided on the basis of metals and non-metals. These two, metals and non-metals, we will learn about these two things in whole chapter with these properties as well as uses. Understand बच्चे?